Ciao, buongiorno.
Good morning.
Day number 10?
11.
Day number 11.
Oh my gosh.
Change us a day.
We have 7 days left to a CC plus 1 rest day in there.
And today we are walking to Città di Castello from Burgne. You can see back here behind us the casale.
The agriturismo that we stayed at. Didn't see any animals here. There were supposed to be. There were dogs.
There was a few dogs, cats. We're going this way.
Nope, we're going this way, babe.
I don't know where we're going.
He never knows where we're going. That's why he has all the technology.
Yeah.
I have, ladies, what do I have? This.
All right, so today we have 2 big climbs.
All right, we've got goals and we've got hills.
So,
And it's going to be a hot one again.
andiamo.
Let's go. Good morning, it's another day. Sorry yesterday's stories were a mess. They were a total mess, but that was the cell service we had. Behind me is a cemetery right there. And then our view for right now, we have like 15 kilometers to walk, but 3 hills. It's gonna be a tough day and it's already like 80 degrees. So it's gonna be a hot day.
We have made it to Lerchi, and a relatively large city, village, but no services really, just this one bar in the entire town. And I think it is time for something cold to drink.
The weather was already blistering hot on this day, so we made the executive decision and decided to take the bus the remaining 5 kilometers into Città di Castello.
This is the Marriage of the Virgin. It was the debut painting by an artist named Raphael in 1504. It was made for this location, but was removed by Napoleon's troops in the 1700s. It's now on display in Milan, but it has been restored and brought back here with this digital 3D printing that is an exact duplicate of the original, right down to the brush strokes and the cracks in the canvas.